don't know how many cups this will hold. How many plates as well. I probably won't even hold these plates.
How about maybe you should put them over there where the berry bowls are?
No. Will it? No. Nope, it won't. Look, but these are odd shapes. They're kind of odd shaped dishes. I'm sure you had to be inventive.
Wait a minute. Oh, okay. No, I thought that moved.
Nope.
Never mind.
Oh, great. Now, of course, isn't going to go down because of that. Now, these dishes aren't going to work in here, I don't think.
Here you go. Here you go.
Sort of work. Oh, geez, thanks.
Sort of, kind of.
No, that's not going to work.
Oh, that's right, because of the
cover.
Yep.
Put those right here.
Right where?
Put them over here.
How? Now, pray tell, how's that going to wash the inside of that cup? There you go.
Oh, this is going to be a mess.
Of course it will be, but it'll be fun.
Hot mess.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, it'll be a cold mess.
Of course, it's just going to fill up with water, but that's okay.
Okay. What else? You could sneak one over there.
Oh, I don't care if I even sneak one in. We're just doing this to play, so. All right. Nope.
Cover.
Anakata boom. Video?
The inserting of the detergent.
Ow.
Not just any detergent.
Fun. Dollar store
detergent. Price right detergent.
Why did the hose come off? So quiet. China to full.
I was just gonna.
Hey!
And
That's why I had my hand on there. I think it's done.